For judging, national costume 25%,
Talent 10%,
swimsuit 25%,
evening gown 20%,
free speech 20%, and a total of
100%.
And then after that, with our top 9, we will be pick our top 5. And ang score nila is magba-back to 0. So, for top 5 ang criteria for judging, beauty is 30%,
Brain is 70%,
total of
100%.
Of course, our fourth runner-up Queen Balik-Balik will get 1,500 pesos in cash.
Ano na?
Third runner-up is 1,500.
Second runner-up will get 5,000 pesos.
And third runner-up is 7,000 pesos.
And our Queen Balik-Balik 2026 will get
12,000 pesos.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Are you excited? So, sino na ang napupusuan nyo pumasok sa top 5? Let me hear you! Candidate number ano ang inyong mga manok?
Yes.
So, meron ditong 3 sa inyo. 8. Ano ang daming? 7, 8 sa inyo po. Anong number? 9. 5. How about the others? 9. Eh, yung mga nasayin ko dito, anong number gusto? Number 3. Ayan, 7. So, lahat talaga sila ay magagaling, talented, at alright. By the way, again, we would like to thank our panel of judges.
And Mr. Dong Ciala.
Yes, Kuya Dogs. Of course, we also thank Police Captain Alvin Caparino Talim. Thank you po ulit. And attorney,
And Queen Dora, thank you so much.
Architect Miguel Cabrera, Attorney Floricar Mayril Manalo,
Ayan si attorney. Attorney na ito ka na ba?
si Architect
Kaya
Miguel,
yan.
and last but not the least, si Kuya Gobro Helio Paran Jr. Maraming salamat for taking time.
Maraming salamat dahil nagtagal kayo. At
Eh, hindi mo paghusga. Eh, so,
dahil konting oras na lang matatapos na ito.
actually, swerte po yung panel of judges natin today. Kasi, last year, inabot kami ng 5 to 6 a.m.
Yes.
Yeah. Alam mo yan, sir. Ano
Ayan.
yun?
Nagiinumin din dyan sila Rogin. Sila Sam, nandiyan.
Alright, so rekta na tayo. While tabulating, may we call on our queens. Queen number 1 tonight. Punta na ulit tayo sa stage.
Para sa awarding natin ng mga keme-keme.
Yes, i-award na natin yung mga minor award. Best in National Costume, Best in Swimsuit.
Ayan, baka meron kayong mga choice award maaari na kayo mag-ano. Ayan.
Ayan, patulong na lang po mga Tanod. Maraming salamat po sa Tanod ng Barangay 536.
Napakasisipa.
Napakasisipa. Kung hindi patawagin, hindi pupunta. Sorry.
Meron daw silang bonus kay Chairman.
Yes, of course. Maraming salamat, Chairman JD, for allowing Kagawan Budget.
Sa kanyang asawa, hello Kapitan, I love you so much.
Thank you so much.
Magpa-party tayo tomorrow.
Nailo na ako, naiikot tayo ng ikot tayo.
Kaya,
Pakitabulate na po. Hindi yung parang kawawa kayo dyan, wala naman kayong ginagawang tulong, yan na lang gagawin nyo, napakatagal nyo pa. Kaya ulti yung mga kabarangay nyo, galit sa inyo. Ultimo pamilya. Ayan, so Queens, within this week, ilalabas po natin ang ating top 5.
Okay. Ay,
maraming salamat sa mga queens. And we would like to acknowledge the presence of MIQ first runner-up,